Expansion of an idea: an idle mind is the devil's workshop. The proverb "an idle mind is the devil's workshop" means that when a person has nothing productive to do, their mind can be filled with negative thoughts, leading to bad habits and harmful actions. A busy and active mind stays focused on useful tasks, while an idle mind becomes a breeding ground for laziness, mischief, and even wrongdoing. For example, students who do not engage in studies or creative activities often waste time on distractions, gossip, or bad company. Unemployed individuals who do not seek work may turn to harmful activities like gambling or substance abuse. In contrast, those who stay busy with positive goals, learning, or hard work are less likely to fall into negative influences. History also proves this idea. Many great personalities like APJ Abdul Kalam and Swami Vivekananda emphasized the importance of keeping the mind engaged in constructive work. Even in daily life, successful people utilize their time effectively, while idle people often struggle with negativity and self-doubt. This proverb teaches us that to lead a meaningful and successful life, we must engage ourselves in useful work, learning, or hobbies. Keeping the mind active with productive activities helps in personal growth and prevents negative influences. Thanks for watching.